Meaning of highlight.
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 Highlight. Highlight refers to emphasizing or drawing attention to something specific. This can be done through various means, such as using bold or italicized text, underlining, color coding, or placing something in a prominent position. The purpose of highlighting is to make information stand out and aid in its comprehension. It's commonly used in academic contexts, such as highlighting key points in lecture notes or textbooks. In digital media, highlighting can also refer to selecting and copying text or images for later use or reference. Overall, highlighting is a useful tool in communication and learning.